how to delete conversation on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete conversation on Truecaller. First open Truecaller, and after that click the 3 points in the top corner, and first just select any chat you want and click on it, then click these 3 points in the top corner, and here we'll find delete conversation, and then click delete, and then click give permission and select Truecaller and click set as default, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.